Is China on the brink of ruling the future with its towering tech industry? From the sprawling metropolises of Beijing and Shanghai to the vibrant tech hubs of Shenzhen and Hangzhou, the dragon's digital dominion is expanding at an unprecedented pace. The Chinese tech industry has been on an upward trajectory, carving out a global niche for itself, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. A decade ago, China was playing catch-up with the rest of the world. Fast forward to today, and it's no longer the follower. It's the leader, setting the global tech agenda. The country has been pouring resources into its tech industry, attracting billions in investments, pushing boundaries and fostering innovation. The result? A tech landscape that is as diverse as it is advanced. At the heart of this tech revolution are the Chinese tech titans, Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu. Alibaba, the e-commerce behemoth, is not just about online shopping anymore. It's delving into cloud computing, digital media, and even artificial intelligence. Tencent, the social media giant, is not only about WeChat and QQ, it's investing in gaming, fintech, and cutting-edge technologies like AI and blockchain. And Baidu, often dubbed as China's Google, is making strides in autonomous driving and deep learning. But it's not just about these giants. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, 5G, and quantum computing are being embraced across the board, from startups to established companies. China is leading the charge in AI, with its government setting ambitious goals and its companies making significant breakthroughs. It's also at the forefront of 5G deployment, with its super-fast networks promising to revolutionize everything from smart cities to telemedicine. With such rapid growth and development, one must wonder, is China poised to become the world's leading tech powerhouse? As we delve deeper into the dragon's digital dominion, we'll discover the forces propelling this tech revolution and the implications it might have for the future of technology worldwide. Stay tuned as we explore the dragon's digital dominion and its potential to reshape the global tech landscape. How does China's tech industry stack up against other global tech leaders? Well, let's dive in and find out. When we look at the United States, the birthplace of tech giants like Google and Apple, we see a focus on innovation and creativity. American tech is characterized by its pursuit of cutting-edge technology, with a vibrant startup culture that encourages radical thinking and risk-taking. However, China is quickly catching up, with companies like Tencent and Alibaba leading the way in areas such as e-commerce, social media, and fintech. Now let's shift our gaze to Europe. European tech has traditionally been strong in areas like telecommunications, with companies like Ericsson and Nokia. Yet, China has been able to outpace Europe in terms of tech investment, pouring billions into research and development and nurturing a robust startup ecosystem. South Korea, another tech heavyweight, boasts giants like Samsung and LG. While these companies have a strong hold on the electronics and hardware sectors, China's tech industry is showing impressive diversity, branching out into areas like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and biotech. In terms of market dominance, the United States has an advantage due to the global reach of its tech companies. But China is quickly expanding its influence, with its tech companies increasingly setting the pace in emerging markets. Innovation-wise, while the West has traditionally been the birthplace of big tech ideas, China is showing it can be just as inventive. The country's tech industry is increasingly characterized by its ability to quickly adapt and innovate, turning ideas into market-ready products at a staggering speed. Investment-wise, China is a force to be reckoned with. The nation is pouring vast amounts of money into tech, outstripping many Western countries. This heavy investment is powering China's tech industry, enabling it to compete on the global stage. As we can see, China's tech industry is not only competing, but also challenging the dominance of existing tech titans. Its impressive growth and relentless pursuit of innovation serve as a testament to the potential of technology in shaping our future. But what's fueling China's tech surge? The answer lies in its embrace of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword in China. It's a national priority. The Chinese government has unveiled ambitious plans to become the global leader in AI by the year 2030. This vision is backed by significant investment, infrastructure, and a flourishing ecosystem of tech companies and startups. China is not merely following the AI trend, it's shaping it. The country's tech giants like Alibaba and Tencent are pioneering AI advancements in fields as diverse as healthcare, education, and transportation. Baidu, for instance, is leading the charge in the realm of autonomous vehicles, while Tencent's AI lab is pushing boundaries in machine learning and computer vision. Beyond the corporate sphere, China's AI revolution is also happening at a grassroots level. In classrooms across the country, children as young as 6 are learning to code and build AI models. The message is clear. AI is not just for the tech-savvy elite, it's for everyone. And it's not just about creating smart machines, it's about creating a smarter society. AI is being used to address some of China's most pressing challenges, from environmental sustainability to elderly care. For example, AI is powering smart city initiatives, optimizing traffic flow, reducing energy consumption, and even predicting earthquakes. China's AI revolution is not without its challenges. Issues such as data privacy and AI ethics are hotly debated, but what's undeniable is the country's determination to harness AI's potential for the greater good. What's more, China's AI prowess is not confined to its borders. Chinese AI companies are making waves internationally, exporting their cutting-edge technologies and expertise. This global reach is testament to China's ambition to not only participate in the AI revolution, but to lead it. Clearly, China's strategic focus on AI is not just transforming its tech landscape, but also shaping the future of global tech. What can the world learn from China's tech supremacy? A question that has been on the lips of many, and the answer is quite fascinating. China's tech growth story is a testament to the power of government support, innovation, and a relentless focus on AI. The government's thriving support for tech enterprises has been instrumental in creating an ecosystem where innovation is not just welcomed, but is expected and rewarded. This has led to the proliferation of tech giants such as Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu, who continue to redefine the boundaries of what's possible in the tech world. But the support doesn't stop at the giants. The Chinese government has also encouraged the growth of startups, recognizing that today's small ideas can be tomorrow's big breakthroughs. This nurturing environment has resulted in a tech industry that is vibrant, dynamic, and constantly pushing the envelope. Innovation is another key tenet of China's tech ascendancy. From pioneering facial recognition technology to leading the world in mobile payments, China's tech industry has demonstrated a remarkable ability to identify and capitalize on emerging trends. But perhaps the most significant lesson from China's tech journey is its unshakable focus on AI. China's AI strategy is comprehensive and far-reaching, covering everything from education and research to industry and public services. This focus on AI has not only put China at the forefront of AI development, but it has also positioned the country to be a global leader in the AI era. So, what can the world learn from China's tech strategy? The importance of government support, the power of innovation, and the transformative potential of AI. Countries that wish to thrive in the tech industry would do well to take a leaf out of China's book, cultivating a supportive environment for tech enterprises, fostering innovation, and prioritizing AI. As the world stands at the cusp of the AI era, there's much to learn from China's tech journey. But remember, every journey starts with a single step. It's up to us to take that step and embrace the exciting possibilities that the world of tech has to offer. So, is China's tech industry set to rule the future? Well, the signs certainly point towards it. With a robust digital economy and an unyielding focus on artificial intelligence, China is carving out a pathway that could very well change how we perceive technology. The dragon is not just waking up, it's ready to soar. The journey towards AI supremacy is not a sprint, it's a marathon, and China is running it with a strategy, building on its strengths and investing heavily in research and development. The country's determination to lead, coupled with its immense resources and talent, is a powerful force that can shape the future of tech. In this digital age, technology is a global language, and China is contributing some of the most innovative chapters. It's an exciting time to be alive, witnessing the boundaries of technology being pushed further every day. Like and subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and turn on all notifications to be updated in the domain of AI. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Until then, Keep exploring the future possibilities with the help of artificial intelligence.